I have this LED strip and I want to install it on this shelf right here. Why? Well, because wife got this amazing idea that she needs more light in her wardrobe, which is perfectly fine. But I have a problem where I cannot just install this LED strip right there because it will be very visible first, and second, that light will shine on sides also, and yeah, that's just something that I don't want to do. So I have decided to make a groove right here on this board from here to here, just very shallow groove that will be just enough to hide this LED strip. But the problem is, as you can see in my workshop, I don't have a lot of professional tools, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use it, how to do it using just this drill machine and this chisel right here. Let's get to work. First, mark your board to be sure that the groove you make is perfectly straight. Next, use this masking tape to prevent the edges of the board from cracking. Mark the center line of your groove, but also mark the outside edges, because this way it will be easier to have that perfectly straight groove on your board. Once we have our board marked like this, it comes down to using drill with the correct attachment on it. We will be using this Forstner drill bit. As you can see, it's a drill bit with a big head. We will be using this small one. It's only 15 millimeters in diameter, but it's just right size for our groove, and I have already marked it for the desired depth for our LED strip. The point is to make these holes just deep enough for our LED strip to fit in there. Now all that we have to do is simply take a hammer and this chisel and just chop off these small pieces right here. This may seem like a little bit longer process, but trust me, it is much better than buying a $200 tool that we'll use only once and never again. We will do the same thing on the other side just to make sure that these two lines are as straight as possible. Chisel is your best friend for this job. Find something that's small and sharp and just hammer it. And the last part of this work is to just make this groove a little bit more flat and straight by using this chisel. Also make the edges a little bit more smooth. Once this is done, we can remove this piece of masking tape just to see what kind of job we have done. Okay, we had one slip right here, as you can see, so we damaged the side a little bit, but the groove is just deep enough for our LED strip. Let me show you with the strip inside. As you can see, when we take a look from side, it's just deep enough for LED strip to hide in there, which is exactly what we wanted. There you have it, my friends. This is the whole groove completely done on this board, and as you can see, this is not the world's best woodworking job, but that was not the point. The point was to make a groove that will host an LED light which will not stick out in my wife's wardrobe. If you want to see how I did that project, the whole project, you can check out this video right here. But if I haven't finished it yet, then check out these woodworking tips and tricks, and I'm sure you will find something interesting in there. So make sure to check it out. See you in the next one. Ciao!